I never had so many things go wrong in such a short period of time while out there in a kayak. I was only out there for a total of about, I think, an hour and a half, and birds were crashing. There were blitzes all over this area I was in, and reels were seizing up, lines were getting caught under the body and tearing off, and my treble hook came off my the only popper that I had. So definitely a frustrating day, but it was still good because there was a lot of action.
Fucking piece of shit. Really? Hello?
Hi. I called Filipino, asked
Uh-huh.
about
Okay. Talk fast because they're hitting hard here. Okay.
they're like, I don't know.
I have no idea. I'll ask them later. All right, bye.
So here I switched over to a different rod. I have the Mojo Yak rod and the Penn Conflict reel because the other reel, which was the Penn Spin Fisher, was season up. You could start to hear that there's something wrong as I'm starting to pull it in. You'll hear it in the reel. The line is actually in the body, and it's kind of getting caught. And I actually have a bluefish on while this is happening.
GoPro, stop recording.
For some reason, the GoPro kept recording during that time, but that was fine. So with this, I'm on my third reel. You can see I have a Penn Battle, and it's another Tsunami Slim Wave rod, but it's still not the end of the troubles.
Fucking blue. Good. Shit, was my other hook? Fucking cheap piece of shit.
At this point, with my rear treble gone, there was just too many incidents at once, and I think after a couple more casts, I called it a night.